New law in West Virginia will allow students to bring firearms to college campuses. DC News Now Stephen Cohen, who covers that area for us, talked with students at Shepherd University to get their reaction.
People have a right to be able to carry if they choose to do so. And we just hope and pray that there's never a problem.
And with that, anyone with a concealed carry permit may have a firearm on campus. There are some restrictions about storage and just where on campus you may or may not have your gun. But the reaction in this college town?
I think it's great. I think with things on campuses now and security, I think everybody should be able to do that, to be able to have a concealed carry. I personally have one, and I think most people should.
I am all for it. I think that if the college students are old enough to vote and drink, then they should be old enough to carry firearms. And it should be, I think they should go through some kind of, classes that make them more responsible.
But not everyone here in Shepherdstown is on board with that.
It's really scary. It makes me worry about the future of this state, about the future of higher education in this state. I wouldn't think that would make me feel safer in an educational environment because accidents happen, it seems like we're planning for an OK Corral shootout on a college campus.
And about objections to the new law? After all, parties and drinking are a way of college life. Is the risk too great?
If you are going to be consuming alcohol, do not carry your firearm.
The National Rifle Association was on hand for the governor's bill signing.
West Virginia is one of 11 states to sign a concealed carry campus bill. Reporting from Shepherdstown, Stephen Cohen, DC News Now.
Thank you. And there are some restrictions about storage and where exactly on campus you can have your gun. The campus carry bill passed the West Virginia House of Delegates last month overwhelmingly before being sent to Governor Justice for his signature.